My people, una well done o. Now Olusetima Joseph don come again o. Today I wan talk about one very very big medical problem wey dey our obodo. This one e dey very very important make I talk about am because e don dey affect many people. The name of the disease na diabetes. Diabetes na one disease wey be say e dey hereditary o. Like papa, grandpapa, if e get am, e mean say pikin fit get am o. Sometimes if e no be true hereditary, some people say e no even dey their family line before we come go get am. So today I wan talk about that disease, diabetes. People dey hear am, diabetes. I dey hear am. The thing be say, as e be e never get cure but people dey manage am. They go fit still live the normal years wey God say make dem live for this earth. They go still live am, but e never get cure. But is manageable with drugs and with some kind things, exercise and the kind food wey dey eat. We fit manage diabetes. So today I wan talk about diabetes. How e be? Wetin dey cause am? Now, diabetes na one disease wey be say when the body no fit control sugar level. And the sugar wey dey our body, the name na glucose. And this glucose we dey get am from food like carbohydrate food, most especially. Though sometimes our body dey convert other food like protein into glucose too. That is if e be say the body lack glucose, the body fit convert protein to glucose. So the thing be say, the body work in a way wey be say if the maybe we just eat finish now, maybe we just eat food finish, the glucose level of the body go rise. But for a normal person after a while e go drop down. But for some kind people if e don rise e no dey come down. That person now we call that kind situation hyperglycemia. Now hyperglycemia na medical term e mean say high blood glucose level. That is, the glucose level of the blood don high. That is hyperglycemia. Now that one na indication say that person wan get diabetes. Na indicator say that person wan get diabetes. Now the way the thing work be say if we eat finish, this one now na boundary na I dey draw so we get what they call we get the cell. Now this cell na where glucose dey enter. If the glucose enter the cell go burn am take produce fuel or energy wey we dey use dey waka, dey talk, dey do everything. As I dey talk so now, glucose now the body dey burn am, energy dey come and dey fit talk. Now another one na the blood. So we get blood, then we get cell. Now in between these two boundary now, e get one kind thing wey we dey call hormone wey the body dey produce. Now the part of the body dey produce that hormone na pancreas. That pancreas e dey below our e dey close to our small intestine. That pancreas na dey produce this insulin wey be the hormone. So now the work of that insulin be say, im work be say na im dey help dey carry glucose. This one na the insulin now. Insulin go help carry glucose. Yeah, e go join glucose. E go help carry glucose from the blood. E go carry the glucose enter the cell. So na the work of insulin be that. E go help carry glucose enter the cell. So e be like the key wey dey open this door wey dey here, because this door na border between the blood and the cell. So e get the key wey go take open this door here. So if you open the door go open, glucose will come enter the cell. So that the work of insulin be that. So insulin na hormone. For biology, we dey call am hormone. Hormone is produced by the pancreas. Now, for this diabetes thing now, we get two type of diabetes. We get the one we dey call type 1 diabetes, and we get what they call type 2 diabetes. So I want to talk about the type 1 first. Now, from that my small illustration now, we see am say na insulin be the key wey dey open the door wey go allow glucose enter the cell. So e mean say if insulin no dey, then glucose no go fit enter the cell. E mean say the body no go get energy, nothing to burn. Then glucose go come dey inside blood. That one I no good. That kind condition now, when glucose don dey blood now, we call am hyperglycemia. That is high blood glucose level. Now dey lead to diabetes. Diabetes now can be disease. So for type 1 people, the problem wey dem get be say the pancreas no dey produce insulin. No insulin is produced. E no dey produce insulin. E get problem. Sometimes not, like where organ fail. So if the pancreas fail due to some problem, maybe body fit destroy, but the body sometimes fit cause something fit destroy am. Maybe our lifestyle, maybe drugs, if it destroy the pancreas. Now the pancreas no fit come produce insulin. So it means say nothing to open that door we go allow glucose enter the cell. So glucose will remain for the blood. So in this case now, the sugar level of the blood now go rise. So that na type 1 diabetes. So I want to talk am again. For type 1 diabetes, pancreas no fit produce insulin. So since no fit produce insulin, it means say nothing to help transport glucose enter inside the cell. No key to open the door wey go make glucose enter the cell. So glucose go just dey the blood. So that na type 1 diabetes. So for type 2 diabetes, let me talk about that type 2 diabetes. For type 2 diabetes now, that one for type 2 diabetes, that one see am here. For type 2 diabetes, the thing be say for type 2, the brain be say the body dey produce that insulin, but the amount of insulin wey the body dey produce, e dey so small wey be say the body no dey respond to the insulin, and because of that one now, the insulin no dey enough to move all the glucose enter the cell. So many glucose go still remain for the blood. So that one na type 2 diabetes. So when the body dey produce very very small insulin wey no dey enough to move the glucose enter the cell, so we call am type 2 diabetes. So these are the two types of diabetes wey we get. So the thing be say the problem be say no be say na death sen ten ce be this diabetes, no be death sen ten ce, but e go good no be say once in a while make we just enter lab, tell them say we wan know our blood sugar level. E dey very very important o. Dem fit say okay make you come back, or dem fit, na two type of tests they always do. We get what they call random blood sugar. That one dem fit do am for you instanta, but that one no go give them the correct amount of sugar wey dey your blood. But the one wey better pass na what they call fasting blood sugar. That one dem go say make you come back the next day, make you no eat anything, make you fast, make you no drink water, make you no eat food. So that one that will give them the real amount of glucose or sugar wey dey your blood. So e good make we go lab, make we go know our blood sugar level, and e also good make we dey try to avoid a lot of some kind sweet food too. So this one na about diabetes. Now for my next video, I go talk about the kind food wey those wey get diabetes wey dem go dey eat, wey go fit help dem reduce their blood sugar level, and the kind food wey dem no go eat at all, wey go make wey fit make the condition dey severe, as in make the condition dey harsh, make the condition increase. I go talk about the food and everything for my next video. This my video. If you like this video, abeg make you subscribe to my channel. If you get any question wey you wan ask me, make you drop am for the comment section. I go answer am. And abeg make una subscribe to this video. So for make una watch out for my next video about the food or how to manage diabetes. Una thank you.